Welcome to my video tutorial on capturing your screen or taking a screenshot. I'm going to be demonstrating TechSmith's free program called Capture in this video. I do recommend it. It's very easy to use. Let's go ahead and get started. So let's suppose that you've got some document that you wanted to show me part of, and I'm just looking at a PDF of some handwritten math work, much like how you're going to take your scans of your handwritten work and make it into a PDF file to upload onto D2L. So what I'm going to do is hit the capture button. And let's say I only want to ask about one question, like maybe, this question number 2 here. You've got some options here. I'm going to go ahead and hit the capture an image button. Let's get that original one out of the way so we can focus on this. And let's say that you're confused about a certain step. So for example, you could add a rectangle around a certain area to point it out. You could also add an arrow, like, maybe you're confused about the negative or something like that. So you can add some annotation to your diagram if you would like to. I'm going to go ahead and save this. And I've done this before. I'm just going to go ahead and replace it with this math one. So I'm going to save it. Now, if you're done with it, then you can close your preview. If you wanted to continue editing, like you're like, oh, maybe I should have highlighted something, something like that, you can go ahead and add that as well. I'm going to go ahead and close that preview. It is important to never ever send a picture of your screen. They're very hard to read. You get all kinds of wavy lines and distortions in there. It is awful. So please do not send me a picture that you took with your phone of your computer screen, because it's very hard to read. So what you're going to do instead is to take a capture of it, and you're going to open up your crosshairs. Let's say you had a question about this assignment or the directions, for example. Now, right here, you could capture a video. So if there's something that's hard for you to type out, or maybe it's just going to be faster, if you made a video, you could capture your screen and explain something the way that I'm doing right now, and you can send that to me. That would work. I'm not going to do that because I already have the video tool going, and I don't know what's going to happen with my microphone, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and hit capture an image. And you can do the same things that we had the last time. Like you could, I didn't show you highlighting, did I? Like maybe you want to highlight this and you can change the color so it doesn't look so horrible. Change the size of the highlighting, etc. You can add some words, believe like, what is this or something like that. You can add that to your screen shot as well. Now, instead of saving it this time, I'm going to upload it to Screencast. And this is going to be really important if you give me a video, because they're going to be huge and it could be rejected by the email server. So we're going to upload it to screencast.com. It's a free service. And I'm going to go ahead and open that up so you can see what it looks like. And so you can see that my screenshot is there, or if you had done a little video, it would be there as well. You're going to hit the share button. You can copy your URL, or if you were going to embed this someplace, you could do that as well. So I hope this helps. Again, don't send me a picture. It's bad, especially of your screen. The pictures are very difficult to read, even of written work. So take it, get it to your computer, give me a screenshot. That would be awesome. And if you have problems with this, like if you're a Mac user or Chromebook and it's just not working with you, with your system very well, what you can do is are some links in the class for options that you could do to grab a screenshot of your screen. Thanks for watching this video tutorial on TechSmith's Capture.